JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, baker, welder, chef, stonemason, but no gang members, the alleged members of one done gang. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. There is a baker, a welder, laborers, a Italian apprentice, a chef, car wash operator, stonemason, and a furniture maker in the docks among the 28 now facing trial for crimes committed by the One Done gang, but no shooters, contract killers, getaway car drivers, foot soldiers or bodyguards, according to the very accused themselves. Denials flowed aplenty from the docks in courtrooms 1 and 2 of the Supreme Court in downtown Kingston on Wednesday, as the accused made full use of their day in the sun, with 21 giving unsworn statements, 2 making sworn statements, and 2 choosing to remain silent. By the end of those statements, all who spoke had declared that they were not responsible for any of the serious crimes ranging from murder to extortion in the 25-count indictment brought by the Crown at the start of the trial in September last year. In fact, several of the accused said they did not know the main witnesses, 2 former gang members turned Crown witnesses. Others said they had merely made their acquaintance in passing, while others described Crown Witness number 1 as a gambling womanizer and Crown Witness number 2 as a peddler of contraband cigarettes. On Wednesday, Khalifa Williams, one of the only 2 accused to give sworn evidence, in rubbishing the claims that he was a top shooter, said he had never laid eyes on alleged leader of the gang, Andre Blackman Bryan, until he was in custody in 2019. He further said he did not know witness number 1 and saw him for the first time when he appeared in court via video link in 2021. Williams, breathing heavily into the microphone, denied ever speaking to the witness over the telephone, saying he was only familiar with 4 of the other defendants on trial, and this was because they were from the same community. Under cross-examination by prosecutors, Williams denied that he went by the alias Baba, stating that Khalifa Williams is his name, and denied that he carried out contract killings for the gang. The accused, Daniel Mackenzie, in his unsworn statement, said he was a tiling apprentice from the Corville Gardens community in St. Andrew and had never frequented any of the areas said to be the stomping ground of the gang. He further said he had never owned or used a gun, nor conspired to kill anyone. Mackenzie also said he did not know half of these men he was charged with. On Wednesday, accused Michael Whiteley, in disputing that he knew witness number 2 or had visited his home where he stood guard for Bryan, declared that this was unlikely, as the uptown Garrison community that the witness lived in was not one that allowed for outsiders to roam at will, arguing that even to pick mangoes that hung over a fence would require ringing a buzzer to get access to the property the fruits hung from. He said his knowledge had been gleaned from being a member of the Jamaica 4-H clubs and visiting because his sponsor lived there. When him saw me up there, so I get for black man, I don't know up there, so. Renita Adams, the policeman, live up there, so my lord. Me now go up there, so. If I go up there, so police have to catch them Monday. My lord, it's in the sponsorship time I go up there, Whiteley insisted. On claims that he provided security for the Lawson community, he declared, "Me can't hold off man or police. Lawson have about 5 entrants. I'm a chef. Me have a restaurant. Me a cook from me 15 years old. I don't in no gang. Just food shop, my lord. That's it a year, my lord." And the accused Pete Miller evoked much mirth during his unsworn statement, as he in his white skinny jeans and floral shirt strutted from the docks, so the trial judge could determine if his leg was bent or not, as said by the witness, who had attempted to describe Miller to prove he knew him. Said Miller after he returned to the dock, "I'm not the Don for Waterloo Lane. I don't know what the witness talking about." He added that he had been in and out of custody after being picked up by the police on several occasions. His brother Marco Miller, who is also on trial, in his own unsworn statement, said he was employed to his mother's shop and declared that he was neither a Don nor top-tier member for the gang. Him say me and my brother did upon a basketball court killing 2 men. That is a lie. Me and my brother never did one place. My brother did that jail, Miller said, insisting that the witness had made up his story to try to sink him. "Your Honor, I could never be a part of this gang. From a tender age growing up, I hear a clansman kill my father," he stated. In the meantime, 34-year-old accused Dwight Hall, in his defense, said he was a welder and baker and denied knowing Bryan or conspiring to commit any crimes. Accused Lamar Simpson, who said he was a construction worker, told the court that his moniker Sickhead was earned because of his football prowess. Simpson, who stated he was no top-tier member of the gang, said he was hearing of that role for the first time over the course of the trial and described himself as a law-abiding citizen who had never owned or held a gun. "I am now done for no community. I'm a man who was to stand for my family," Simpson spoke tremulously, while begging the judge to be merciful and find him not guilty, as he was worried about the welfare of his family. Meanwhile, accused Carl Beach said he only knew of the Crown's second witness as a peddler of lock-up accies and Bandolo cigarettes. Beach, who said he was a stonemason, told the court, "I will heap a curb while I'm running a lorry stand. Everybody know me. If them tell us I'm walk all about and drink rum, I'm me that. From a lady drop out of my thing that. Me don't know nothing about no gang thing, Your Honor. A stonework me do. Anything I want, me do it," he stated. Yet another accused, Donovan Richards, in an unsworn statement, told the court he was a higgler who was preoccupied with his mother's health problem, his business, and taking care of his 3 kids. "I'm not in any gang or involved in any criminal organization," he said. Accused Tyreek James said he was employed to a wholesale at the front of Jones Avenue and declared that he had never laid eyes on the alleged leader of the One Done gang until he began building a studio in the area. "I never saw that man before, never spoke to him. This is all a surprise to me," he said, gesticulating, while telling the judge that his boombox in his cell constantly blares lyrics which say, "All I want is my jeans, and all I want is my freedom," adding that he did not even know a quarter of his co-accused. Joseph McDermott, otherwise called Papa, the man, witness number 1, told the court, stood guard for the back entrance of the gang's headquarters and had requested the skull of a victim to drink blood from, sought to set the record straight in his unsworn statement. "I'm a Rastafarian. I pray Selassie. I do not consume blood, my lord. I'm a vegetarian," the accused stated, while disputing that he stood guard branding it a fabrication. "I'm not a part of any criminal organization. In fact, there's no such criminal organization, my lord," McDermott said. And Andre Golding, the man said to drive the infamous duppy trucks, which are cars used to transport people involved in murders and shootings of the gang, said he was not capable of doing either shootings or drive-bys, as he didn't even have a driver's license. The matter continues this morning at 10. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.